hopefully get another job in the government.
Whoa!
That's okay.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to.
That's her. Rick!
Woo!
Alright, and step on up. Keep on coming, keep on coming! Grab it, grab it. Yep, grab it. Turn your back towards me.
That's what Mommy did.
Alright, Jenny, good job. Let's see those muscles on the bottom cable. You can start pulling yourself in.
Keep doing it, baby.
She's a swimmer. She can do it.
You got a little bit further, then I'll be able to reach you. Keep on coming.
You got it, girl.
Awesome.
You got it.
You got some muscles on you, lady. Drop your hand. Oh, perfect. Good job, Lisa.
Getting close.
Nope.
No, but I'm thinking not.
Pull him up. Pull him up.
Pull him up. Pull your legs up.
Keep on coming.
He might come. Don't break. Don't break.
Okay. So turn yourself around. You got it, Jenny. Let's see those muscles.
Hey, you got it. You got it.
Keep on coming. Let me know if you need me to come out and give you a hand, Jenny.
Just think how good you're going to be swimming this year now.
Yeah. You got it? You doing all right?
You're close, kid.
Almost there. Keep on coming. You got a couple more feet and I'll be able to reach you. There you go. A little bit further. All right.
Yay!
Good job. Step up on the step. Get your head on the other side. Pull on.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Down, you got this. Yeah, the bottom's the gas and the brake, but obviously if you have a good grip with the left, it's not going to come down, so combination.
Hey, loosen your grip a little bit more. There you go. A little bit more. There you go. Good job. Good job. All right.
Smile for the camera.
Let go.
Let go.
Loosen your grip. There you go.
That's all I was loosening. Go there. There you go. Or send customers. Or send tourists there. They're like, we can't eat there. I'm like, nah. Get early, girl. There's so many good. There's so many awesome restaurants.
There you go. She's such a brat.
I think I was probably much worse than that.
Was that me?
Yeah. Hope the sound's not on that video.
It is.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but every one of these platforms has a rescue bag on it.
Yeah.
In that is everything we need to lower you down from every platform from the middle of the line. Plus there's extra equipment, like say you're going your glove guard.